Looking for a compact speaker that delivers clear, full-range sound without the hassle of complicated setups? The JBL Professional CSS-1S T offers a smart solution for anyone needing reliable audio in commercial or residential spaces. Whether you're setting up background music or announcements, these speakers promise clear speech and balanced sound right out of the box. What sets the CSS-1S T apart is its flexibility. Equipped with a 10-watt multi-tap transformer, it works seamlessly on 100 volts or 70 volts distributed speaker lines, or you can switch to an 8-ohm direct mode if that fits your system better. This means you don't have to worry about buying extra parts or complicated wiring. The rear access panel lets you easily change tap settings to match your needs, making setup fast and straightforward. Inside, you'll find a 135mm, 5¼ low-frequency driver paired with a 19mm, 3/4" polycarbonate dome tweeter. Together, they deliver a full, rich sound that's tuned specifically to maximize speech clarity and intelligibility. Whether you're filling a room with background music or making announcements, every word and note comes through crisp and natural. Installation is just as thoughtful as the sound. The rugged enclosure comes with a ball-type wall mount bracket that pivots, so you can aim the speaker exactly where you want it. Plus, the flat bottom lets you place it on shelves or other surfaces without worry. This versatility means the CSS-1S T fits neatly into a variety of environments, from retail stores and offices to restaurants and schools. If you're tired of bulky, complicated speakers that require extra transformers or adapters, the JBL CSS-1S T is worth a look. It combines professional-grade drivers and a user-friendly design, delivering dependable performance that's easy to install and maintain. Customers rave about its simplicity and sound quality, making it a trusted choice across the U.S. Ready to upgrade your sound system with speakers that offer clear audio and hassle-free setup? The JBL Professional CSS-1S T delivers what you need: flexibility, clarity, and durability, all in a compact package. Try it when you're ready, and experience how easy quality sound can be.